There you are, you lovely lot. I've got another crazy idiom to share with you today. It's be at someone's beck and call. Be at someone's beck and call. Maybe you can guess what this means. But what it means, guys, it means you're willing and able to do something for someone at all times. Doesn't that sound wonderful? To have someone around at your beck and call. Let's use an example sentence. I check in with my manager pretty frequently, but I can't be at his beck and call 24/7. That's sarcastic, is it not? So I'll leave a link up there to the word sarcastic so that you can understand and use that in your daily conversations. One more example. Can you pass the software? No, I'm not at your beck and call. Ooh, I'll get it myself then. Alright, my lovelies, I think you got the gist of this one. It basically means you'll do something for anyone at any time. Alright, good friend you are. Have fun, my lovelies. See you next time. Bye.